What can I say about presentations? Okay, so presentations to me, there are the run-of-the-mill presentations, where you have PowerPoint presentation and slides like this, and those are important. A lot of the jobs I do would be taking a PowerPoint presentation and cleaning it up, taking the ordinary and kind of sprucing it up, because you might have a low budget. You might have a couple $100 or $500 or whatever to spend on a basic PowerPoint presentation. But what I tend to do over with these is think outside the box. I try to create stuff like this one here for HP. This one was really, I only got 4 slides in here, but creating something that looks like it would be done outside of PowerPoint. A real nice, slick graphical print piece, so to speak. You know what I mean? With the nice icons and the nice graphics and the nice colors. That's really important to me. So whenever I work on presentations, I tend to focus on that, on coming up with a way to make it easy for the presenter to talk through the information in a compelling, colorful, and exciting way that gets the audience sort of pumped up to want to read it in the first place. I think that's most important. I mean, obviously, you're going to have again, your run-of-the-mill presentations. I've done several like this one recently. I did for Newsweek for Dev Pragad at Newsweek, and it was a great challenge. Because they have one heck of a brand to work with and a lot of great visuals, and that was very exciting for me. I like doing that. But other sort of menial corporate presentations, again, like this one, I actually create it as though you could see it in print. And what's funny is that a lot of these projects I've created, I do both. I do it as a presentation, a PowerPoint presentation, and a printable piece. So you could actually go to a printer and print this out at the same time. So that's very, very important to me, to make sure that it's like this one here. See, this is actually printed with a spiral bound binding to it, so that you have the PowerPoint presentation and the printed version. Again, same here. Doing something that has more of a printed look and feel to it. And yes, it takes more time and money to create these, but at the end of the day, it's just a phenomenal piece to work with. It's just sort of a much more high-ended piece that gets people's attention. It's just a lot more effective when it comes to presentations. So don't think that you have to do the same old, because you don't. You can be as creative as you want and innovate as much as you want when it comes to presentations.